Seeing thick black smoke pouring out of your exhaust or struggling to get your diesel engine to fire up on a cold morning can be incredibly stressful. But if your diagnostic scanner is showing the code P06C6, you are already halfway to solving the mystery. This code specifically points to a problem with the glow plug in cylinder number 2, telling us that the engine computer, or PCEM, is seeing an incorrect amount of electrical resistance in that specific circuit. Now, unlike gas engines that use spark plugs to ignite the fuel, your diesel relies on pure compression and heat, and that is exactly where the glow plug comes in. It is a small heating element threaded right into the cylinder head that gets red hot to help ignite the fuel when the engine is cold. When this code pops up, it usually means that the glow plug in cylinder 2 is either burnt out, has a bad connection, or the control module itself is acting up. Anecdotally, we see this a lot on Volkswagen models, but it can happen to any diesel from Ford to Ram. To fix this, you are going to need a digital volt-ohm meter, or DVOM. First, locate cylinder number 2 using your service manual. Do not guess this part because fixing the wrong cylinder is a headache you do not want. Once you find it, check the wiring for any obvious cracks or loose connections. If the wiring looks good, you'll want to disconnect the glow plug and measure its resistance with your meter. If the resistance is out of spec compared to the manufacturer's data, or if you hook it up to power carefully and it does not glow bright red, you have found your culprit. While you're there, check the fuses and relays too, because a blown fuse can sometimes trick you into thinking the part is bad. It's a fix you want to tackle urgently, because driving with a bad glow plug can lead to more misfires, worse fuel economy, and eventual clogging of your emission system. So grab your tools and let's get that diesel running smooth again.